Today I'm going to talk about chairs and people working from home having lots of neck pain and back pain. The chairs, let's talk about this one. There's some things wrong with this chair. Number one, the chair is too deep. What do I mean by too deep? When I sit all the way in like this, okay? I should have 3 or 4 finger space behind the back of my knee. In this case, I don't. If I don't, it's very uncomfortable. What I'll end up doing is I'm going to sit forward like this and work like this, okay? And then over time, I'm going to get tired. I'm going to end up rounding this way and I'm going to lead to having back pain and neck pain just because of that poor posture. Number 2, the chair is too low relative to a standard height table. So you can argue that the table is too high or the chair is too low. Doesn't really matter. What we're looking for is the keyboard, the mouse, the table should be about elbow 90 degrees height. Okay, in this case, if you look at my shoulder and my elbow, it's actually quite elevated. So this will cause me to have neck pain and back pain. Number 3, the chair, the incline of the chair or the seat pan. Okay, the seat pan of this chair is actually tilting down too much this way. And it's not just this chair, lots of chairs are like this. And that's not great because when you sit on a chair that has a seat pan that's down this way, you are going to end up slouching your back because that's just how it has to work. And when you slouch, what's going to happen to my neck if you watch? If I slouch this way, you see that my neck sticks out and I'm going to end up having back pain. Ideally, you want a chair that can adjust the seat pan from this position to this position to this position, depending on what you need.